Imagine waking up in a bedroom that cost more than your entire neighborhood, only to ditch the plush bed for a factory floor couch, or banning clocks from your sanctuary to hack your brain for billion-dollar decisions. That's the wild world of billionaire bedrooms, where luxury collides with quirky habits and jaw-dropping price tags. Today, we're exposing it all. From Elon Musk's minimalist tech havens to Oprah Winfrey's Zen retreats, we'll dive into the real stories behind these opulent spaces, backed by the latest 2025 facts. Get ready for insider gossip, transformation tales, and the habits that built empires. If you've ever wondered how the ultra-rich really rest, this is your ultimate guide. Let's uncover the secrets. Starting with the rocket man himself, Elon Musk, the Tesla and SpaceX visionary whose net worth hit $488 billion as of November 2025. His bedrooms embody futuristic simplicity. Think sprawling Texas estates with panoramic windows framing starry skies, voice-activated lighting that adjusts to your mood, and integrated AI systems monitoring everything from air quality to sleep cycles. But here's the shocking twist. Elon often skips the bed entirely. During intense production pushes like Tesla's Model 3 ramp-up or SpaceX launches, he crashes on office couches or even under his desk on the factory floor. Why? To lead by example and stay immersed in the grind. He shared stories of sleeping there, so his team sees him pulling all-nighters, boosting morale and pushing innovation. It's not just talk. In 2025 interviews, he reiterated working 7 days a week and crashing at the office during crunch times, proving dedication trumps decadence. And the prices? Elon famously sold off his California mega mansions in the early 2020s to fund Mars ambitions, fetching over $100 million combined, including a $62.5 million bundle for 4 properties alone. Now, he's settled in Austin, Texas, with a modest, by billionaire standards, $32 million ranch-style compound featuring custom ergonomic furniture like $50,000 couches designed for power naps and AI-infused beds costing upwards of $100,000. He even snapped up 3 adjacent homes in 2024 for his growing family, totaling around $20 million more, creating a private enclave. It's the ultimate American pivot, from lavish LA pads decked in imported marble to streamlined Texas setups where tech reigns supreme. Build big, sell bigger, and keep the billions innovating. Next, let's sail into Jeff Bezos' domain. The Amazon founder turned space explorer with the $254 billion fortune in November 2025. His bedrooms are extravagance redefined. Picture super yacht suites on his $500 million vessel Kourou or his massive Washington estates boasting soaring vaulted ceilings, private ocean view balconies, and walls adorned with priceless art that could seat a startup. But the real eye-opener? No alarm clock in sight. Jeff wakes naturally every morning, embracing a putter routine where he scrolls casually on his phone and drags his feet a bit, but he enforces a strict 1-hour rule. No screens or meetings for the first 60 minutes post-wake-up. Why skip the buzz? He swears it sharpens his mind, sparks creativity, and strengthens family bonds. Insiders note it's key to his high IQ decisions, like steering Blue Origin. In 2025 podcasts, he doubled down on prioritizing sleep and tech-free starts to avoid that foggy rush, turning rest into a superpower. On the cost front, Jeff's portfolio screams opulence. His total real estate holdings exceed $700 million. The crown jewel, his Medina, Washington compound, originally bought for $10 million in 1998, but expanded into a 310-acre fortress valued at over $200 million today, with bedrooms sporting custom Italian leather headboards at $100,000 apiece and antique Persian rugs fetching $500,000. Add in his yacht's gold-plated fixtures like $20,000 faucets per suite and recent Miami billionaire bunker buys, 3 Indian Creek mansions totaling $237 million, including a $90 million gem in 2024. He even sold his Seattle mansion for a record $63 million in October 2025. It's pure American ambition. Start in a garage, amass empires, splurge smartly, but always optimize habits to dominate. Shifting gears to glamour, enter Kylie Jenner, the cosmetics queen whose net worth sits at around $700 million in 2025. Her master suites are Instagram dreams. Envision her Holmby Hills mansion's pink-tinted paradises with walk-in closets rivaling boutiques, spa-like baths stocked with luxury products, and crystal chandeliers casting a soft glow over everything. The jaw-dropper? Her primary master suite spans a massive 2,300 square feet. That's larger than the average American home. Packed with custom vanities, garden views, and even a $12,000 Dior treadmill in the adjoining gym, it's a self-care sanctuary. Kylie evolved from sharing family spaces as a teen reality star to this luxe life thanks to hustles like Kylie Cosmetics lip kits that exploded her brand. In recent 2025 features, she credits early mornings and creative routines in these spaces for her glow-up, blending work and wellness seamlessly. Price-wise, Kylie's empire is fierce. Her Holmby Hills pad, snagged for $36.5 million in 2020, anchors an $80 million portfolio that includes a Beverly Hills spot and new Hidden Hills land for a custom build. Bedrooms shine with high-end flair. A $150,000 Hermes bed frame, vintage Chanel lamps at $50,000 each, and diamond-encrusted mirrors or gold leaf dressers that scream exclusivity. Her total setup, with 7 bedrooms and 14 baths across 15,350 square feet, even got a $500,000 security upgrade in 2025. It's the quintessential rags to riches vibe. Hustle from humble beginnings, go viral, and craft a bedroom kingdom worth more than most suburbs. Now for a tech twist, meet Mark Zuckerberg, Meta's mastermind with $172 billion net worth. His bedrooms lean minimalist like Musk's, but with a privacy fortress vibe. Hawaii's Ko'olau Ranch compound features underground bunkers and ocean-facing suites with smart glass windows that tent on command, plus Palo Alto homes with eco-friendly designs and hidden panic rooms. Gossip alert, Zuck is a night owl who codes in bed, but he's adopted meta minimalism. One-outfit wardrobes, those gray tees, extend to clutter-free spaces for focus. Why? Post-2024 scandals, he streamlined life, crediting meditation and family time in these retreats for rebounding stronger. In 2025 talks, he shared hacking sleep with wearables to optimize VR dreams. Costs add up fast. His Hawaii spread, pieced together for over $200 million since 2014, spans 1,400 acres with bedrooms boasting sustainable bamboo furniture at $75,000 per set and custom solar-integrated beds costing 6 figures. It's Silicon Valley style. Innovate relentlessly, build barriers, and turn habits into hyper-efficiency. Contrast that with Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, worth $135 billion, whose bedroom screams frugality. Still in his 1958 Omaha home, bought for $31,500, now valued at $1 million. His simple setup includes a modest queen bed, basic nightstands, and no fancy gadgets, just books stacked high. Habit scoop? He reads 500 pages daily, often in bed, crediting it for his investing edge. Why no upgrades? Buffett preaches value over vanity, joking in 2025 interviews that his home's the best deal ever. Furniture? Thrift store vibes, maybe $5,000 total. It's timeless wisdom. Live below means, invest wisely, and let habits compound wealth. Finally, Oprah Winfrey, media mogul at $3 billion, turns bedrooms into soulful sanctuaries. Her Montecito Promised Land estate features spa-inspired suites with fireplaces, plush linens, and garden vistas perfect for morning gratitude journals. Shocker? Growing up poor, she shared beds. Now she meditates daily here, reading voraciously 50-plus books yearly to stay grounded. In 2025 tours, she revealed biohacking with essential oils and sound baths to better sleep. Prices? The 70-acre Montecito gem cost $100 million plus, with bedrooms decked in custom silk bedding at $20,000 and antique armoires worth $50,000. Add in Maui farms and Chicago condos for a $200 million portfolio. It's inspirational. Rise from hardship, embrace mindfulness, and design spaces that nurture the spirit. From Elon's factory flops to Oprah's Zen zones, these billionaire bedrooms reveal it's not just about the luxury, it's the habits, hustles, and mindsets that forge fortunes. Which billionaire style would you steal? If this peek into the 1% blew your mind, smash that like, subscribe for more elite exposés, and comment your dream billionaire bedroom below. Let's keep the conversation going.